and like this you can change it. Once you select this, okay, now operating system, the machine that you are creating, machine means nothing but the system, the operating system what you want, whether you want Linux, whether you want Windows, this also you can select it. Debian is also an operating system, Red Hat, uh, Ubuntu, Windows Server operating system, what kind of server operating system you want, you can select it, right? Once you are done with this, just click on the like create button, so your machine will be created. So I hope it is clear to you, and you come to know like how you create a VM instance, monthly charging, how you can pay it. If you click on this detail, this will also variable, right? Let me show you how it will variable. Like suppose I select this Los Angeles, now you see pricing from $25 it become 30. So based on the region, which is most popular region, if you select based on this pricing change. Now let me change it to Asian region something, Asia Mumbai. So Mumbai are having same price. Okay, let me change it to see, when I select South Carolina it become 25. So from here you can check it also, like for one CPU 4 GB RAM, $24.46 they are charging per month, and 10 GB of disk, hard disk. Persistent disk means permanent storage where you can save a data. So I hope it is clear to you. Any question, anyone of you? Anyone having any question on this? Like what is VM instance is just like virtual machine. Have you used VirtualBox on your laptop? Ubuntu dual operating system laptop have you used? Means Ubuntu and Windows both.
Yes, sir.
How many? Okay. So virtual machine, based on the virtual machine you can deploy your application server there. So it is like same. In Compute Engine you create instances and you can decide how many processor. Now here you can changeable. Now you tell me, if you purchase a laptop, then is it possible for you to change this from 4 GB to 8 GB 16 GB? No, right? It is costly. But in the cloud, if you use a system in the cloud, it is very easy. If you want 4 GB, if you are not satisfied, you can change it 8 GB 16 GB 32 GB 64 GB memory till it is having, and many more in that. 128 also it is having. So you can think 128 GB RAM. I'm talking about RAM. Memory means RAM. Storage means hard disk. When it is says permanent disk means hard disk. So you can say, just think 128 GB RAM is how much. So like that you can change it easily from this. But when you are purchasing laptop of 4 GB, changing it to 8 GB 16 GB is very difficult because RAM is very costly. So I hope it is clear to you about Compute Engine and storage we have seen. In my next class Monday, I will going to show you how to create an account. Everyone will going to create an account, and I will going to upload the video also. So if you have a, let me share you the link again. By today I will going to upload this. Link I am sharing with you, and GitHub I hope you have a means sorry. This is the channel where you can find it. Okay, if you wanted to take a reference from previous video, you can take it. This is the previous one. So if you want to take reference from here, you can take it. AWS cloud also you can learn it from here, and Python, pandas, if you wanted to learn, you can free to learn from here. And let me know in case if anything you wanted to learn, I will help you in that. So I will upload it. I am sharing you right now on the chat. Any question if you have, you can ask me. Any question, anything that you wanted to ask regarding project, anything? And please create a GitHub account. I will upload all the project there, so it will always with you even after when you pass out from